This is the hilarious moment a Scottish machine driver uses the bucket of his digger to push his colleague into a dirty puddle. The victim was kneeling over and looking into the trench on the site in Mulgai, East Duck. Greg Roger filmed the moment his brother Kyle Roger was knocked into the man-sized hole by their prankster. In the short clip, the digger can be seen edging towards the rear of Kyle, who is kneeling next to a large. The digger machine then gives Kyle a big shunt on his backside, causing him to. Kyle is then thrown into the murky waters and is almost fully submerged in the dirty, brown water. His whole body is shown splashing around in the water before he finally manages to share this article. The victim managed to clamber out of the freezing puddle where he shouted abuse at his. A hilarious clip was posted by Greg onto his Facebook page on St. Valentine's Day, and he captioned his post, "Someone's no, at least we can have a laugh at G. Roger Landscapes Mulgai." Since being shared on Sunday, the video has been shared 9,000 times. Speaking today, Greg said, "Working with family isn't easy sometimes, and we just like to have a laugh. So been a good laugh, like obviously got taken home and had the rest of the day off. My phone has been not."